Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video following Nikkietutorials, doing a full face of makeup. So if you would like to see how this turns out, stay tuned. I'm going to prime my face first. So now we are going to do foundation. She's using MAC. I don't have MAC products, so I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photofocus because it's pretty full coverage. Looks like she puts it on her blender. So, let's start going. Girl, she moves too fast. We gotta kick it on like she does. Alright. 20 pounds of foundation later. Now she's moving on to concealer. And she's doing Urban Decay's. I'm going to go with more Wet n Wild Photofocus. So she wears it. Under the eyes. She wears down her nose, right here, her chin, forehead. Okay, I got all the concealer in the spot that needs to be. Now we're going to blend out that concealer, like she does. She started with her chin. She goes under the eyes. Alright, and then next she goes and sets her under eye with powder so it does not crease. Okay, so lots of powder under the eye. So now she's just using a normal powder to set the rest of her face. Now we're going to highlight the under eye with a beautiful white highlight. Okay, then she does her brows off camera, so I need to do my brows really fast. Now, my eyebrows are on, and next she is priming her eyes. Alright, so she's using the Morphe 3051 palette. I only have the Morphe 3052 palette, so I'm going to pick shades as close as possible to the ones she is using. In the Zone is really close to the color she's using right here. I'm just putting that in her crease. If you ever have allergies and one of your eyes just waters, the next color she's going in with is kind of like this one. The colors in that first palette are just a tiny bit lighter than the ones in this palette, so they're just a little bit darker, but that will be the closest to what she's going to be using, which is called Tan. And just so you know, my eyelids are quite a lot bigger than hers, so it's a little more larger looking than what her eyes look like. And she's taking the darkest color in the palette and defining the crease more. I'm not going to do the black because it's way darker than what she's using. So I'm going to take this darker brown. So she focused most of the dark in the very inner part of the crease. I'm just trying to darken that up a tiny bit more. Okay, now, and she's taking from their shimmer palette, which I don't have, but I have this very light white sparkly color, which is pretty much what she is using, and she's putting that right below the crease. And it's supposed to look like a cut crease kind of effect. And then she is going into her inner corner of her eye and highlighting it. And then she went back in with the first two colors to define the outer V. Okay, next she's doing her waterline with a black liner. I'm so bad at this, it always tickles me, so this should be fun. Okay, and then she's taking the darkest color that she put in her crease and putting it under her eye to give it a nice smoky effect. She wings it out a tiny bit. A lot of makeup, holy moly. And then she's taking liquid eyeliner. Holy makeup. Okay, so now she is going in with black eyeshadow and diffusing out this line a little bit and then making her wing with eyeshadow. This is a lot of eyeshadow. Alright, and then we need some mascara. I think I glue on the eyelashes. Alright, so I don't have little sequency stars, so I'm going to draw on little stars really quick, the best I can. If this will go on my skin. I have to do this with liquid eyeliner. Alright, that's as good as those are gonna get. Now I have to glue on my eyelashes really quick. My eyes are not used to this much makeup on. They're freaking out. Okay guys, now we're gonna continue. So we're doing a lot of contouring now. Okay, so this is a comparable color to what she's gonna use. Crazy on this camera, it looks way crazier than it actually looks in real life. I'm gonna just tone this side down a little bit more. because it's a little crazier than that. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of the darker shade because apparently that's gonna be my blush. Holy crepes. Girl, I look crazy. So dark. Okay, now she's highlighting a lot. So let's like get going with the highlighter. Alright, now I'm going to do my lips. She doesn't use lip liner, so we're gonna skip that step. And I'm going to use Buxom. She used a different brand that I do not own. And it just has a little more of a pink tint than hers. Hers is a little orangier. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm going to spray some setting spray mist. She uses a lot, so there's a lot. Whew. Don't inhale that. Anyways, so this is the final look. It's a lot more makeup than I'm used to, but I think I did alright. I don't know, you guys can decide how you feel about this look. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I feel like I look crazy, but who knows. But anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Bye guys. Honey, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
How do you stop this?